Holy Christ. The Holy Christ, which is in all of us, which is in all and everyone. The Holy Christ is that which the human being kill, Humanity killed the Christ simply because it's too much for them. It's too much for the little ego mind, which is based on the wrong identification concept within the mind phenomenon setting. The self that we identify with is just produced by the brain, but we don't understand that. Christ is the way out of the self, Christ means to give up the self, and to serve love and the good in mankind. For that, he was killed. Why? Because it was true. If it hadn't been true, then he wouldn't have been killed. But he was killed because it was true. People cannot take truth. They hate the truth. They hate knowledge. They hate talent. They hate truth. So the fate of Christ, the destiny and the fate of anyone who is extraordinary, a sovereign, complete, extraordinary, magnificent, divine spirit. In some sense, in some way or another, he will be killed by humanity because people just cannot simply take the truth. They don't want to know the truth. Unfortunately, they cannot take it. They want to take it when it serves them, but when it doesn't serve them, they don't want it. That's the stupidity of mankind, based on a wrong identification process in the mind, based on stupidity in the mental cognitive process, simply because we are without education. We have not allowed humanity to educate itself when it comes to self-psychology and how every phenomenon to our mental mind life is constituted and made and created. And this is the whole secret of the problem within humanity. We have never allowed education to enter the premises. We have never allowed truth. We have never allowed true education about self, psychology, mind phenomenon, everything mental, anything that has to do with cognition, interpretation, projections, and memory. Nothing of this is taught by competent people. The competent people are kept out of the game so that the mediocre, stupid fuckers who destroy the world can continue to control it. And Christ is bleeding, and Christ wants to come and talk and say, no, listen, you betray the true heart of man. You betray everything beautiful. You betray God. You betray that which is sacred inside our spirit. You betray the eternal value. You betray the eternal God inside the human heart. Amen. Listen to me. Educate yourself. Free yourself from wrong identification, from a wrong thinking process within your own minds. Amen.